In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Prime Video on Discord without a black screen. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome like you normally would. Alright, then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and type in Google Settings extension, then go ahead and press on enter. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the official Chrome Web Store page right over here, and then it is going to bring you to a page that actually does look like this. And basically, we need to go ahead and get this browser extension that will allow us to make some changes to our settings. And from those settings, we can go ahead and adjust a few things so that we're able to go ahead and stream Prime Video. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and download this Chrome extension. Then you want to go to the top menu. Then you want to go ahead and make sure that settings is actually pinned right over here. Then you want to go ahead and just open up the extension. Go ahead and press on settings one more time. Then in the search bar, all you want to do is you want to type in acceleration right over here. Then you want to go ahead and locate use graphics acceleration when available, and by default it will be turned on. But what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to turn it off just like so, and you will need to go ahead and relaunch your web browser. So please go ahead and press on that, and then just wait for it a little bit, and then there you go. It will now be good to go. Now, after you did this step, what you want to do is you want to open up Prime Video like you normally would, and then from there, you are able to go ahead and stream it over on Discord. For obvious reasons, I can't show you guys the process of actually doing that, but you guys could try this out for yourself and then write in the comment section down below if it did work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.